video. I wonder what my dad ordered today. I think we received only one piece. Uh-oh! Let's check. Something is inside. Dun-ta-da! It's a new stool. Here we go. Let's assemble this now. Yeah! I like to fix the things. Oh yeah! There's a lot of place in it. Let's put this inside the box. Oh yeah, this is so easy to do. Now I'll keep the upper seat. Now our storage stool is ready to use. Now I'll put all my toys and clothes and my books. This is perfect. I like this. Now let's store my toys. I can store all my toys in one place. Now I can also hide my toys. Perfecto. We can use this storage tool in many ways. We can store whatever we want. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye friends. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.